genetic and cultural exchange between Egypt and Nubia during the 25th Dynasty. The relationship between ancient Egypt and Nubia is a complex tapestry woven with threads of conflict, cooperation, and profound cultural exchange. These two civilizations, geographically intertwined along the Nile, experienced periods of both intense rivalry and remarkable symbiosis. The 25th Dynasty stands as a particularly illuminating period for examining their intertwined heritage. This era offers a unique lens through which to understand the multifaceted interactions that shaped both Egyptian and Nubian societies. It challenges simplistic narratives of dominance and subordination. Instead, it reveals a dynamic interplay of genetic and cultural influences. Modern genetic studies are increasingly shedding light on the shared ancestry between ancient Egyptians and Nubians. These investigations, particularly the analysis of ancient DNA, are revolutionizing our understanding of population dynamics in the ancient world. Ongoing research continues to refine our knowledge of these complex relationships. Mitochondrial DNA, or mtDNA, plays a crucial role in tracing maternal lineages. Its inheritance pattern allows researchers to follow the paths of female ancestors through time. Studies focusing on mtDNA have revealed significant shared maternal lineages between Egyptians and Nubians. These findings suggest a considerable degree of intermarriage and gene flow between the two regions. This challenges simplistic notions of distinct racial or ethnic boundaries. The reality was a fluid exchange of populations across the ancient landscape. Further research, including autosomal DNA analysis, is essential to fully understand the extent of this shared ancestry. Determining the specific contributions of each group to the overall genetic makeup remains a key objective. This will provide a more nuanced picture of their biological relationship. The 25th Dynasty marks a period of particularly significant cultural exchange between Egypt and Nubia. During this time, Nubian pharaohs rose to rule Egypt, bringing with them their own traditions and perspectives. This led to a fascinating blend of cultural practices. These Nubian rulers embraced many aspects of Egyptian culture. They adopted pharaonic titles and iconography. They also commissioned the construction of temples in the Egyptian style. Elaborate funerary complexes were built, reflecting the prevailing Egyptian beliefs about the afterlife. However, cultural assimilation was not a one-way process. Nubian influences also began to permeate Egyptian society. Nubian women played a significant role in Egyptian households. Some held positions of power and influence. Their integration into the Egyptian elite contributed to the evolving cultural landscape. The presence of Nubian women in Egyptian society highlights the complex social dynamics of the time. Their contributions extended beyond the domestic sphere. They actively shaped the cultural fabric of Egypt. Nubian soldiers were also a valued component of the Egyptian army. They were known for their military prowess and loyalty. They served in various capacities, from elite guards to combatants. This military integration further facilitated cultural exchange. The blending of traditions occurred through these interactions. It fostered a deeper understanding and appreciation between the two cultures. The Nubian influence on Egyptian culture is undeniable. Evidence can be found in art, architecture, religious practices, and even language. This influence reflects a dynamic process of cultural borrowing and adaptation. Egyptians adopted Nubian deities into their own pantheon. They incorporated Nubian artistic motifs into their artwork. This suggests a potential influence on Egyptian religious beliefs. This cultural exchange was not simply a matter of one culture dominating the other. It was a dynamic process of mutual influence. Both societies were enriched by their interactions. The 25th Dynasty represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of both Egyptian and Nubian cultures. It solidified their shared heritage. It also left a lasting legacy of interconnectedness. This era demonstrates the complex and dynamic nature of ancient societies. It challenges us to move beyond simplistic narratives of cultural dominance. It encourages us to appreciate the rich tapestry of human history.